Study for a degree in sound for the moving image at the Glasgow School of Art. We understand that every student is a creative individual with a unique blend of passions, skills and their own world views. The School of Simulation and Visualisation offers a study environment focused on supporting students throughout their creative journey and fosters our community's passion for innovation with immersive sound and visual mediums. Our unique Bachelor of Design and Sound for the Moving Image is aimed at providing audio creatives with the skills, knowledge and practice to realise their ideas using methods like field recording, studio recorded Foley, voice recording and sound design. This can be for sound-only formats like radio, podcast, audiobooks or art installations. Or it can complement a moving image work such as film or games. We also empower our students to create their own original documentary, narrative or art films, and interactive experiences. Our tutors help demystify complex audio workflows and nurture students' original ideas from conception to completion. The BDes Sound for the Moving Image programme is a direct entry programme for students transferring from college. Students join us in Glasgow in Year 3 of the 4-year degree programme. The course has been designed specifically for students who have studied for a qualification in further education such as a higher national diploma, HND, or international equivalent.
And then I was in college, so I spoke to my lecturer and was like, oh,
and she didn't know where those were supposed to go. Different.
Context of it anymore, so it's just kind of like, I'm like, oh, you know.
As students progress through the programme, teaching moves from work in stereo sound production, fixed frame video, and interactive systems, to looking at more complex practices such as multi-channel spatial audio, 360 film, music for picture, and self-directed projects, where students follow their own interests. On the degree, you will learn technical concepts, practices and processes, and given space to apply these creatively in your own individual and group projects. Throughout, an applied and practical approach is taken to support learning and sound design for film, art and games.
We have a new name for the coronavirus. The World Health Organization has officially called it China suffered its highest number of deaths in one day. 103 people died just in Hubei province alone. The wound death toll in China is now over 1,000.
As part of the application process, you would submit your college transcript or certificate, along with a portfolio of your work. The portfolio can include work in art and design, film, sound production, or other relevant disciplines. Find out more about BDes Sound for the Moving Image at the Glasgow School of Art's School of Simulation and Visualisation, where art, science and technology come together.